So, Assalamu alaikum, my dear all students. This is the topic for today, that is more skeletons. More about skeletons, yeah, more skeletons. The topic is the parts of a skeleton. How many parts does the skeleton have? Okay. What are the parts of a skeleton? We are going to discuss about this. Let us check. Here we go. The parts of a skeleton. All of the animals with skeleton inside their bodies have a skull and a backbone. Each and every, जितने भी animals हैं जिनके अंदर skeleton मौजूद होता है, जितने भी bodies हैं जिनके अंदर skeleton मौजूद होता है, they all have a skull. एक skull होता है and they have a backbone. Next. Okay, what is the skull? Skull is a bone of our head that contains brain. Backbone is the vertebral column joined with a lot of 22 bones approximately. There are 22 bones in a backbone. Okay? There are the chunks of the bone joined together to form a backbone that is called vertebral column. The parts of a skeleton. The backbone is made up of a chain of small bones, as I told you before. जैसा कि मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आपको बताया, the backbone is made up of a chain of small bones. These small bones are called vertebra. These small bones are called what? Vertebra. Okay. Now, who is going to tell me that how many? What are the bones called? What are the small bones called? Can anybody tell me? You can raise your hand. What are the small bones called, joined to make a vertebra? Fajiha Siddiqui. Yes, Fajiha. Unmute your mic.
The small bones are called vertebra.
Okay, these are called vertebra. Very good, Fajiha. Now you can mute your mic back. Thank you so much. So now these are the parts of skeleton. Vertebrates. What are vertebrates? That's the reason the animals which have backbone are called vertebrates, because they are having a vertebra with them. Because they are having a vertebra with them. The animals having backbone and skull. Backbone is made up of small bones, chunks of bones joined together to form a backbone. These small bones are called vertebra, and that's the reason they are called vertebrates. All of the animals having vertebra, having a backbone, they are called vertebrates. Next, vertebrates. Animals with backbones. Okay, here are some examples. And you can tell me that how many animals are there with the backbones here on the screen. You can see all of them. Yes, all of them. Fish is having a backbone. It is having a backbone. It is having a middle scale there. That is its vertebra. Okay, vertebral column. And the bird is here. The bird is having a vertebral column with it. Reptiles, all of the reptiles are having the vertebral column inside them. Amphibians, all of the amphibians are having vertebral columns inside them. Mammals, obviously, we also are mammals, and all of the mammals are also having the vertebral column inside them. Okay, beta? Okay. Can anybody tell me some examples, more examples about vertebrates? Can anybody give me the more examples about vertebrates? Raise your hand only. More examples. Not on the screen, other than this. Other than this. Screen पे जो आपको नजर आ रहे हैं इसके अलावा, other than this. Unmute your mic. Yes. Abdullah Fazil.
Cockroach, crocodile, tortoise.
Tortoise. Okay. All right. Okay. These are having backbone. Are you sure?
Loin.
Lion is having a backbone, but do you think that the tortoise is having a backbone? Yes, it
No.
is having, but cockroach is not having. Beta, cockroach is a non-vertebrate. It is having an exoskeleton. It is not having an endoskeleton and no backbone as well. Cockroach is not having a backbone. Okay, its outer body is having a skeleton. That is called exoskeleton. Okay, now you can mute your mic back. Thank you, Abdullah Fazil. Next, invertebrates. Animals which do not have backbone are called invertebrates. Animals which do not have backbone are called what? Invertebrates. You can see the worm here, a caterpillar or a earthworm here on the picture, brown colored, right? Can you see? Okay. So the scorpion here, Scorpio here, right? These are the invertebrates. There are no vertebral columns inside them. इनके अंदर कोई vertebral column नहीं होती. इनके अंदर कोई backbone नहीं होती. Animals which do not have backbones are called invertebrates. All right. Let's check examples. More examples, right? Number one, lobster. It is also called crustacean. Okay. It is also called what? Crustacean. Number two, snail, mollusk. Insect like ant, like cockroach, like other insects like bugs. They are all are not having the backbones inside them. Invertebrates, non-vertebral animals, जिनके अंदर vertebral column नहीं होता. Cnidarian, starfish. Starfish is also not having a backbone there. Arachnid, spider. Spider, all right, spider. Spider is also not having a backbone inside it. Insect, like butterfly. It is also not having a backbone. These all are a body well maintained animal creatures. ठीक है, इनकी बहुत ही अच्छी सी क्रिएचर, ये बहुत ही अच्छी सी इनकी बॉडी होती है, पूरा स्ट्रक्चर मेंटेन्ड होता है. उनके अंदर भी स्केलेटन होता है, लेकिन होता है क्या है, इनके अंदर स्केलेटन नहीं होता है, सॉरी, इनके बाहर स्केलेटन होता है, इनकी बॉडी के बाहर. एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड एक्सोस्केलेटल एनिमल्स. बाहर, बॉडी के बाहर होता है. कुछ क्रस्ट ऐसे बने होते हैं, कुछ शेल्स ऐसे बने हुए होते हैं, कुछ बॉडी के ऊपर या बैक पेन के या इनके एब्डोमेन पे कुछ शेल्स ऐसे बने हुए होते हैं, जिससे इनकी बॉडी को सपोर्ट मिलती है. ठीक है. Can anybody give me other more examples about invertebrates? Is there anybody? Raise your hand, please. Okay, let me check how many of you. Okay. Yes, you beta, you answer. Unmute your mic. Yes.
Cockroach.
Very good. Cockroach and
Fly.
okay, very good. Very good. Please mute your mic back. Okay. Very good. Very nice example. These are exoskeletal animals. बाहर की तरफ होते हैं इनके. Next. Differences between the vertebrates and invertebrates. These are the what differences. These are the differences. क्या क्या फर्क है vertebrates में और invertebrates में. Internal skeleton present. Internally इनका skeleton present होता है body के अंदर, skin के अंदर इनका skeleton present होता है. Vertebral column होती है अंदर, ठीक है, backbone होती है. 2 pairs of limbs होते हैं, ठीक है, like 2 हाथ 2 पैर, limbs के 2 pair होते हैं. A tail is usually present. एक tail usually present होती है vertebrates में, like cow, like goat, and etc. All right. Invertebrates. Internal skeleton absent. अंदर कोई skeleton नहीं होता, as I told you, ठीक है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ fluid filled होता है उनका, या तो blood होता है या तो उनके अंदर एक cells होते हैं, blood cells होते हैं, white blood होता है उनका, कुछ substances होते हैं, fluids होते हैं, ठीक है, लेकिन bones नहीं होती इनकी body के. Vertebral column. Backbone is absent. Backbone is absent. नहीं होती. 3 or more pairs of limbs if present. 3 या 3 से ज्यादा pairs होते हैं, मतलब ये कि 6 pair है limbs के, पैरों के, हाथों के, या 8 है, इस तरीके से. You can see the octopus as well for an example. Okay, a tail is absent. Tail नहीं होती इनकी. The tail is absent there. Cockroach की tail नहीं होती, ant की tail नहीं होती, ठीक है, snail की tail नहीं होती, etc. etc. Okay, a snake, a vertebrate. How does a snake could be called as a vertebrate? Let us see. Snake क्यों कहलाता है vertebrate? The skeleton of a snake is almost entirely skull, spine, and ribs. It has no legs. It has what? It has no legs. It is a whole body entirely of a skull and spine and ribs. It has one skull. It has a spinal cord, long spinal cord with a tail, and what? And ribs. You can see as shown in the picture in front of you. Can you see the picture? Picture nazar aa rahi hai aap sabko? All right. There are hundreds of vertebrae in a snake's backbone, all with joints between them. Means के इतना बड़ा स्नेक होता है, जितना लॉन्ग स्नेक होता है उतनी ज्यादा वर्टिब्रेज होती है प्रेजेंट होती है स्नेक की बैकबोन के अंदर, ठीक है, एंड दे ऑल आर फॉर्म जॉइंड टुगेदर टू मेक इट्स स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, ठीक है, एंड इट हैज अ लॉट ऑफ रिब्स एज वेल, इट हैज a skull as well. It is, that's why it is called what? It is called a vertebrate, ठीक है. Snake, a vertebrate. Because of the joints, a snake can be bent its body back on itself into a coil. Because of so many joints, you know, okay, it is having a vertebral column. All right, it is having a vertebral column. It is having a lot of vertebrae. Okay, small bones joined together. We have already discussed about it. कि vertebral column में vertebrae बहुत सारी होती हैं जिसको join करते हैं तो फिर जाके एक vertebral column बनती है. All right. So now what we are discussing, that all of these are joined together. There is a joint present in each joint, in each vertebra. All right. So what is the benefit of this? That it can bend its body back into a coil shape itself. Okay. ये अपनी पूरी बॉडी को आराम से एक coil shape में बना सकता है, लेके जा सकता है. You can see this in the picture. Why? Because so many joints are present. Joints होते हैं ना बहुत सारे मौजूद, इस वजह से. One single bone तो होती नहीं है. There are a lot of joints. So ये कहीं पे भी अपनी बॉडी को फोल्ड कर सकता है flexibly. All right. Many of the bones in a snake's skull are only loosely held together. A lot of bones, many of the bones in a snake's skull are only loosely held together. Means that there are a lot of bones already present in the skull of the snake, ठीक है, लेकिन all are loosely held. बहुत ज्यादा tightly held नहीं होती हैं, बहुत ज्यादा loosely held होती हैं, loose होती हैं. उसके joints होते हैं soft tissues से joint हुई होती हैं. This allows the snake to change the shape of its head. वो अपने इसी तरीके से, इसी वजह से वो इतना easily अपने पूरे head की shape को भी change कर लेता है, and so that it can swallow an animal that is bigger than its head. इसी तरीके से वो अपने से बड़ा animal भी खा सकता है. You can see in the picture that here is a skull shape in front of you, the black one, and yes, on the right hand side there is a big open mouth of a snake that is having an egg inside its mouth. Okay. Okay. Let us move on forward. Let me share a fact with you people. The world's largest invertebrate is called giant squid. Giant squid. The giant squid can grow up to this. This creature is called giant squid. What is it called? Giant squid. What is it called? Giant squid. All right. This creature is called giant squid, the world's largest invertebrate. It is an invertebrate. It doesn't have any backbone inside it, and its body is being supported by the exoskeleton. Okay, its body is being supported by the exoskeleton. Invertebrate, the largest. Okay, giant squid. The giant squid can grow up to 18 meter, means 59 feet long. 59 फीट आपको पता है कितना बड़ा होता है? 59 feet. एक 6 feet का ह्यूमन बीइंग देखा है? एक 6 feet का ह्यूमन बीइंग जो है वो कितना लंबा नजर आता है ना हमें? 6.5, 6.2 इस तरीके से. But if you can see that, if you can imagine that 59 feet long, it can grow up to largest invertebrate and weighs up to 900 kg. और इसका weight कितना होता है? 900 kg. All right. Let us move on forward. Feedback time. Let me ask you some questions. Answer these questions. How many types of animal groups are there? How many types of animal groups are there? Quick response. Yes, raise your hands. Hurry up. Raise your hands. Raise your hands. I'm coming towards you. Abdul Muqeed. Yes, unmute your mic and answer me. Abdul Muqeed. Abdul Muqeed. Yes, my dear. How many types of animal groups are there? Hello? Hello? All right, we cannot hear Abdul Muqeed right now. Yes, beta. Yes, my child. Please reply. How many types of animal groups are there? Okay.
But please,
Okay, Abdul Muqeed, I cannot hear you properly. Rohan, can you answer? I guess there is any technical problem. Yes, Rohan?
two.
Two. Okay. Can you name them? Can you name them? Hello, Rohan. Unmute your mic.
World
Rohan, unmute your mic. Hello, Rohan. Unmute your mic, beta. Yes.
vertebrate,
Vertebrates and
invertebrate.
very good. Excellent. Okay. Now, next question. What are invertebrates? Who is going to answer? Who is going to answer? Marwa. Yes, Marwa. Marwa, are you going to answer me the question, whatever I am asking? Okay. You are going to answer me the question, okay, whatever I am going to ask you. What are invertebrates, Marwa? Please answer.
मैम आई एम सॉरी क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ पर लाइट चली गई थी इसलिए
Okay, no issue, no problem. Faizan, unmute your mic, beta. Faizan, unmute your mic. Hani, you wants to share the answer? Please be quick, my dear. Hani. Yes. Very good.
Yes, miss.
Yes, beta. Hani, please answer me. What are invertebrates?
The animal without backbone is called invertebrate.
Wow, excellent. Animals without the backbones are called what? Invertebrates. Okay. Now next question. Who is going to answer? Please raise your hands. Spider is vertebrate or invertebrate? Who is going to answer? Who is going to answer? Who is going to answer? Okay, Faizan. Yes, unmute your mic, Faizan. Faizan, please unmute your mic first. My dear Faizan, unmute your mic. Hello, Faizan, unmute your mic. Okay, on Abbas, unmute your mic, my child. On Abbas, unmute your mic. Yes. Spiders are vertebrates or invertebrates?
Invertebrates, ma'am.
Excellent. Yes, very good. They are invertebrates because they are not having any backbone inside their body. Very good. Can snake swallow an animal bigger than its mouth? Who is going to answer? Can snake swallow an animal bigger than its mouth? Who is going to answer? Yes, Wajiha Siddiqui. Unmute your mic, my child. Yes, beta, answer.
Yes.
Can snake swallow an animal bigger than its mouth?
The snakes swallow
Yes.
an animal bigger than its mouth.
Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. So it means that your all concepts are clear. Alhamdulillah. Now moving forward, write down your homework. Write down 5 vertebrates and 5 invertebrates. You have to search for the 5 vertebrates and 5 invertebrates. Repeating that the vertebrates are those animals which are having the vertebral column inside their body like backbone. And the invertebrates are those animals which are having no backbone in their body. Okay? This was your homework. Thank you so much for today, my dear students. This was all for today. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.